Artificial intelligence is reshaping the job market by automating tasks, creating new industries, and transforming traditional roles. Artificial intelligence is unlocking new opportunities in the job market by driving innovation and creating demand for specialized roles. From AI development and machine learning engineering to data science and automation strategy, numerous careers are emerging to support and advance this technology. Beyond tech-focused jobs, AI also enhances creativity and productivity in fields like healthcare, education, and marketing, enabling professionals to solve complex problems and deliver impactful results. This shift highlights the potential for growth and advancement in an AI-powered economy. Want to learn more about how AI can transform your workplace? Contact the team at C&W Technologies today.